4. Up, be close. Just up. 1, 2, 3. Up, be close. Keep Atas left hand. Middle punch speed gears out. Left hand. Middle punch speed. Hut. 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 Upper punch. Hut. 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 Lower punch. Hut. 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 Towel punch middle. Hut. 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 Upper, middle, lower. 1, 2, 3. Lower, middle, upper. 1, 2, 3. Up, big close. Bow. Get on break. Hut.
One important announcement.
Move forward.
The track
Down
event
block,
students,
inner
you
block.
should
1,
get ready. Under 14 boys from 8th
Two.
standard, you should ready for 100 meters running. Your the 100 meters running race participant, you should meet our physical education teacher, Mrs. Tiba ma'am, immediately. And you are to be assembled where she assigned that. Under 14 boys, 8th standard, Sri Sai Saran, Mahabaleshwar, Prasanna Balaji, Kavin Sai, Jeffrey, Karthikeyan, Sujin, Raghavan, Harshit. You should meet our physical education teachers immediately. The calling students, you should come inside the track.
Move for lower X, upper X, reverse down. 1, 2. Step back. 1, 2. காலம் மாத்தியா முன்னாடி.
Next, under 17 boys, 9th and 10th, for participating 200 meters running, you are asked to get ready.
Knife from black.
And 4 into 100 meters relay, students, you are also get ready. The first event under 14 boys, 8th standard, 100 meters running. After that, under 17 boys, 9th and 10th, 200 meters running and 400 meters relay. You should be ready.
Jackie, show that. 1,
And after that, under 19 boys, 11th and 12th, 400 meters running and 100 meters running. Next, under 14 girls events, 8th standard, 100 meters running race girls. After that, under 17 girls, 9th and 10th. After that, under 19 girls, 11th and 12th, 400 meters relay. You are all get ready yourself. When we call you, you are asked to come to the ground immediately.
3, 4. Up, big close bow. Take Yandan. Back in 1, back side inner black. Kick and back. 2. Kick and back. 3, move her down. Lower. Middle. Upper shoulder. Back leg down black. Kick and bunch. Sham down black. Kick and bunch. Move her down. Upper. Middle. Lower shoulder. Knife and black. Catch and break. Knife and black. Catch and break. Up. Big close. Bow. Sudha break.
Sai Saran, Mahabaleshwarar, Prasanna Balaji, Kavin Sai, Jeffin, Karthikeyan,
Two.
Sujin, Raghavan, Harshit.
3.
Please come to the ground
Big close.
immediately, ma'am.
Good. Up. Candy done. Kata. Hut. 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 Back up, Brenda. Oi. Hut. Knife on. Hut. Tap on, buddy. Oi. Hut.
The special attention should be given by the students of 8th to 12th standard, under 14 boys, 100 meters running,
Kick fine.
under 17 boys, 9th and 10th, under 19 boys, 11th and 12th, 400 meters running and 100 meters running, under 14 girls events, 8th standard, 100 meters running,
Down black. Bye.
under 17 girls, 9th and 10th, 200 meters running, Under 19 girls, 11th and 12th, 4 into 100 meters
L4
relay.
break.
Please come to the ground.
L4
Friends. You
break.
should
One.
meet Mrs. Tiba ma'am immediately. If you want take part in this events, you should meet Mrs. Tiba ma'am immediately, or else you will be rejected.
3. Good. Up, big close bow. Ready, can you on that gata?
Super.
2. 3. Up,
He
big
break the
close
bar.
bow.
100 meters running. Under 17 girls, 9th and 10th. Under 19 girls, 11th and 12th, 4 into 100 meters relay. You must meet Mrs. Tiba ma'am immediately.
Elbow touch. Fine. Roll up, odi. Fine. Grand fine. Fine. Roll up. Odi, slap this. Slap. Odi, grand. Odi, tarik ma, ukar. Mudul. Grand punch, bye. Reverse hand. Bang. Odi, paste, odra. Jump odi. Avra. Up, big close, bow. Shilambam, come friend, go.